We're talking about testosterone replacement therapy, testosterone replacement therapy and fertility. And, well, this little booger came to be. And let's talk about the fertility protocol that I used. I'm going to start by looking at my semen analysis. And this one was taken on March 28, 2022. Quick disclaimer, I am not sponsored by this company. It happened to be simply the company that I used at that time. Now, at that time, I was 37 years old. I had been on TRT for about 7 years at that point, and I was not on any supportive therapy. In other words, I was not on HCG. I was just going straight raw, just me and testosterone and nature and God and letting the rest happen. So my wife and I, at this point, we were contemplating, you know what, maybe we should consider having a kid in the next, 2 to 3 years. So, well, I figured now's a good time to see what I'm working with. And here's the results. So my calculated total motility count was 5 million per ejaculate. Now, to get the calculated total, essentially what you do is you take this, the sample volume in ml, then you multiply it times this, which is the concentration of millions per ml, and then multiply it times this, and then you divide by 100. And so that yields 4.8, but for these purposes, they kind of round up is what they do. So the sample volume was 1.85 milliliters. The concentration was 13 million per ml. So actually, it was decent. It was all right, considering I wasn't on HCG or anything like that. My motility percent was 20%, so that was subpar. My morphology was 5%, so hey, cool. I like what I'm working with. And the overall, the count, the millions per ejaculate was 24, which is, again, subpar. So if we had to grade this as a report card, we'd probably say I'm looking at a D. What I tell all my patients is that if you are going to start some sort of fertility protocol, you need to do so at least a year before you want to start even attempting conception. So that brings us to the next part, which is this was dated March 29, 2023, approximately 1 year after the previous one, because from this moment forward, in the next year was when we wanted to attempt, okay? I started a fertility protocol of HCG/FSH approximately 2 months prior to getting this analysis done. So let's take a look at the results. All right, on the left are the results from March 28, 2022, and the right are the results from March 2023. So this is pre-treatment, and this is 2 months after intervention. So we went from total motile count from 5 million to 16 million. Well, not quite on target, but we have tripled the amount. The sample volume was statistically insignificant. As you can see here, concentration, millions per ml, that doubled. It went from 13 to 28. That's great. That exceeded the target, that exceeded the goal. The motility percent, 20% to 31%. 11% jump, still under target, but still made nice progress. Morphology stayed neutral at 5% and 5%. And here's where we made some big gains as well. Counts millions, 24 million to 50 million. Right here's a cumulative of the net gains and the progress that was made. June 2023 is when we actively started trying to achieve conception, and we started doing this based on her cycle, and we were planning accordingly. Ultimately, 4 months of active attempting, and we achieved pregnancy. We achieved conception in October 2023. Personally, I kind of wish I would have done a repeat semen analysis at that point, but since we achieved pregnancy, honestly, I felt no need to at that juncture. Now, fast forward 2 years later, here we are. Little boy, he turned 2 in June. He's super healthy, super sweet. So what I hope that this video does is give some insight into people who are in similar situations, people who are also considering TRT or on TRT, and who have also thought about possibly parenting one day. Now, mind you, I did not provide the dosages of my medications because, quite frankly, the doses I took, the regimen I took, it may not apply to you. It may not be what you need. So that's besides the point. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you then.